getting ready for our Labor Day barbecue.
Yes.
And we were inspired by this fun cookbook that Jill had. We ran across a hearty cocoa black bean burger, and look at the picture. I mean, really? Like, why wouldn't we want to make
Why
this?
wouldn't you? Yes. I mean, cocoa. I love putting cocoa powder into savory dishes.
Yes, and I don't do it that often, and I love black beans. I love black bean burgers, so I'm super excited about this.
Yeah.
But isn't that pretty?
Isn't it cute?
So we did little sliders.
We did little sliders.
Jill found these really cool buns, and we were like, oh, we'll make sliders.
Yeah. So I'm excited to try these. I mean, I've tried a lot of black bean burgers before.
Me too.
None of them have ever had cocoa in it.
No, me either.
So let's give it a try here.
Let's see. Doesn't it look pretty? We've got a little romaine, some tomato, and a little bit of honey ale mustard.
Yeah.
So. Those are yummy. Oh my gosh, yum. Just like a burger. That is delicious.
It is.
I love black bean burgers.
I do too. And honestly,
A slice of avocado would be good on that.
it would be really good on that. It's a little crumbly here. So I think that people say why would you not just have a burger? So let's be honest, red meat is not great for you, especially any kind of processed red meat. So when you can kind of make a swap, it doesn't have to be all the time. You know, every once in a while, I just want a burger. But when you can make a small swap like this, it's good for your heart.
It is. It's good for your heart, and when it still tastes amazing, and when you put the lettuce and the tomato and the Dijon, oh my gosh, it's delicious. And the bun, oh, it's fabulous. The other thing is, you know, we have another video for a Impossible burger. You know, you might have tried the Impossible burger somewhere. Those are in restaurants right now. This was easier, and I actually like it better.
I agree with you.
Yeah, this was pretty easy. It's quinoa, black beans, walnuts is the basis of this. So it was super easy, and we made a whole bunch of them. So now we can just pull them out, warm them up.
Yeah.
We've got lunch.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my
Me
burger
too.
here.
Give them a try.
Please make sure you hit the big red subscribe button below, and if you try the recipe, let us know. That's all I got, really. I'm gonna get back to eating my burger.
That's right.
It's good. All right.
Yum.